Listen to the sounds of building. Hey, real estate relatives, I am your homegirl Daphne Brown with Beyond the Home Realty, and in today's video, I am back in the community of Bayou Bend, located in Angleton, Texas, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you can get real estate-wise for $285,000. Let's get into the video. Listen to your heart. Let me show it to you. Yes, just what you mean to me. Don't tell me. Woo!
How I love the city of mine.
The floor plan we're going to look at today is the Champlain, and this home is a one-story. It is 1,768 square feet with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and an office. Let's go in and take a look. As you can see, the homes over here do offer gutters and this nice, beautiful decorative door with keyless entry. So what do you guys think about the house so far? Again, this home is a 1-story, 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with an office. But I do like how this island, you have an opportunity for additional seating here. You have this additional space here to put like a breakfast table, and then still be able to look out the window. I'm a window person. I love watching nature. Not so much as a people watcher, but I love watching nature. And then here you have this big space. This is open so that if you are in the kitchen and you have people in the family room, you can still do your entertaining and not feel closed off because the space is so open. So much recessed lighting, tons of natural light. This is a great one. I love the gray cabinets and the white subway backsplash. This is a nice house. And again, this home is under $285,000. It is in the community of Bayou Bend. Let me tell you a little bit about Bayou Bend. The property tax rate is 1.9%. The HOA is $250 annually, although the HOA has not yet been set up. It's a very small community, so if you like a small community, there you go. Not master planned at all. So amenities in the community won't be here, but you don't have to travel far. Angleton has a recreation center in addition to a ton of parks that you can go out and take the kiddos and walk, get some exercise in, all of those things. We have done other videos that have featured this community. I will link it here and I will post a link to those videos in the description below. But if you have any questions about this floor plan, this community, Angleton, any Houston suburb related question, I'd love to be your homegirl and help you get the answer that you need. And I want to remind you that I am always ready and willing to enable you to find your way home. Till next time, guys. Bye-bye.